Hello everybody, welcome to Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and this is the place where we show you how to make some absolutely amazing cocktails. Today we're taking a riff on a Caribbean classic. It's a mojito, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. So this cocktail, I'm sure you're going to love. It's easy to make, we do it in the glass. So, if you like the channel, please hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment. If you're watching on your phone, hype us. That shows our channel to lots of extra people. Let me stop talking and let's get pouring. This cocktail is nice and easy because we do make it in the glass. And we've got a few simple ingredients here and they're all fresh. We are going to start with some cane sugar. We're going to use some fresh lime. I said this was a spicy one, so we're going to put some jalapeno in there. We've got some fresh mint leaves, and it can't be a mojito if we don't have rum. So our first ingredient going in there is about 2 teaspoons of cane sugar, and that's going right into the glass. The nice thing about this cocktail is since you're using whole sugar and not a simple syrup, that taste profile is going to change as the cocktail goes on. 2 teaspoons in the bottom of the glass, that gives us our base. The next thing that we're going to do in there is some freshly squeezed lime juice, but we're not going to squeeze it and put the juice in there. Since this is a mojito, what we're going to do is take a whole lime, we're going to cut it in half. Let's get rid of the bitter ends on that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cut that half into 4 sections. Now, for some reason, I get more compliments about this knife than I do my cocktails. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. If you like the knife, it's a Husk chef knife. I'll leave a link in the video that you can find it on our Amazon store. But it does quick work of taking these 4 limes and putting those into the cocktail. Next, our jalapeno. Nice, quick, easy work on there. And we're going to put in there just a couple of slices. I've got 5 slices in there. That seems to be a good magic number. And let's give this a muddle real quick just to start breaking some of this stuff down. Now, when you muddle, you don't have to beat it up and tear it up. You just want to, what you're doing is you're pressing the fruit and the jalapenos in there, you're mashing them up, you're getting some of those oils out of there. That's what's going to give us our taste and our flavor. Break that down. That sugar in there is going to mix it up a little bit. Now I need some mint in there, and I'm going to take about 10 mint leaves or so. We'll put that in there. We're going to give this another muddle, and once again, this is what's going to give us those oils. That's what's giving us our flavor. I can smell the jalapeno already. I can smell the mint. Now what I want to do is put a little bit of ice in that glass. And I'm going to put some rum in there. I am going to use 2 ounces. I'm using Bacardi white rum, the Superior. 2 ounces in there. And that goes in there. Now what I want to do is get my bar spoon, and our next step is just to kind of mix that up, pick it up, stir it, pick it up, mix it, stir it. We want to get that fruit in there. We want to get those leaves in there. And this is also kind of our garnish. I'm going to top this off with ice now. The last thing that we need to do is we're going to take some tonic water. You can use club soda if you'd like. We're going to fill that up. That's going to make it nice, effervescent, refreshing. Another real quick stir in there just to mix those layers. And now all I need to do is garnish. For the garnish, I'm going to take myself another mint sprig, give it a slap, get those oils out of there, get that flavor in there, pop that in the top, and now we're going to take our straw. We'll put that in there. And there is today's cocktail, the Spicey Mojito. Ooh, we got some jalapeno bite in there. And once again, you can change how spicy that is by how many slices of mojito you put in there. I like spice, so 5 slices did me very well. We've got the fresh lime. That cane sugar in there starts to melt, and as it dissolves into the cocktail is going to get sweeter as you go along. But you can't go wrong with a great mojito. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.